Hey, you're not going to want to miss out on these 5 proven methods of attraction. Welcome back to Couple Compass, your trusted companion to the realm of love and relationships.
We're happy to have you here again as we embark on another romantic adventure together.
Today, we are diving deep, and I mean deep, into romantic influence. It's that enchanting blend of attraction and persuasion that keeps the flames of love burning bright.
So grab your compass and prepare to navigate the seas of romance with us, because we're about to unveil the top 5 tips for mastering the art of romantic influence.
All right, let's start our journey off with tip number 1, inspired by my guy, Robert Greene, for whom you can fill a void.
The delicate dance of connection. Instead of chasing after those who are eager to please, keep an eye out for those subtle hints that someone is open to your influence.
It might just be a shy smile, a gentle touch, perhaps even a fleeting glance. Pay attention to the subtle cues your potential partner is giving you.
And when you discover someone who's missing a piece of the puzzle, be the one to fill that void with your love and affection. It's all about creating a bond that feels natural and fulfilling for the both of you.
Moving on to tip number 2, send mixed signals. Or like my grandma would say, never let your left hand know what your right hand is doing.
Once you've captured someone's interest, don't forget to keep them guessing. Never lay all your cards on the table at once.
Instead, maintain an air of mystery. Share mere fragments of yourself, but leave plenty to imagination.
This keeps the curiosity alive and ensures that your partner remains captivated by the enigma that is you.
Tip number 3, appear to be the object of desire. Tip number 3 revolves around confidence and allure. Remember, to be the man, you gotta be the man.
Absolutely. When you're trying hard to win someone over, don't be hesitant to showcase your finest qualities.
Whether it's your accomplishments or your connections, your charisma or your cologne, allow your partner to witness you in your most favorable light.
Remember, confidence is magnetic, so don't be shy about letting your light shine.
All right, now let's explore tip number 4, playing by their rules. Or like my granny would say, playing coy.
Sometimes if you wish to influence someone's thoughts or behaviors, you have to think like they do.
Act as a mirror for your partner. Reflect their emotions, desires, and aspirations back to them, and observe as they begin to open up to you in return.
It's all about establishing trust and friendship, one step at a time.
Last but certainly not least, we have tip number 5, give them space. Don't be clingy. Let them breathe.
That's right. In any relationship, finding the right balance between intimacy and independence is crucial.
Yes, and that's why it's so imperative to occasionally step back. Allow your partner the freedom to pursue their own interests and passions. Let them breathe.
This not only demonstrates that you respect their alone time, but this is the perfect recipe to add excitement and novelty into the relationship.
And there you have it, folks. The top 5 tips for mastering the art of romantic influence. All the way from being a social influencer to a love influencer.
We hope you found these tips helpful as you embark on your journey of love and romance.
Remember, relationships are akin to a graceful dance, a slow dance, and it's essential to approach them with tenderness, empathy, and, of course, a sprinkle of romance. And if it doesn't fit, don't force it. There are plenty of fish in the sea.
Thank you so much for joining us on Couples Compass. And remember, manifest your destinations.